There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. So today's video is going to be UNice hair Amazon wig slay. This is fresh out the pack. I didn't do anything but take her fresh out the bag. And you can definitely wear it just like this because it's pre-everything for you. Bleached, elastic band that's removable and adjustable, a comb in the nape, some silicone that'll keep your wig down, and the extra comfortability and security of the drawstring. Okay, divas, let's get into this. So straight out the bag, she is definitely easy to wear. She has come already parted for you. Definitely you want to make sure to secure that drawstring in the nape. She's not going nowhere. You definitely will not need any type of glue or hairspray. And there's plenty of parting. 7x5, lace frontal, pre-everything. Yes. Now I just like my hairline to be just a little bit thinner. So I'm going to just pre-pluck, or I'm going to pluck away a little bit of the hairs. This is optional. You really don't need to. But I just try to get it to look just like mine. Now this is a Yaki texture wig, and this more or less reminds me of Lite Yaki, not like Yaki mixed with kind of like kinky texture, but this is a Lite Yaki. Ombré, so it's got color at the end, and it's just really, really pretty. Now like I said, it's a 7x5. So there is a limitation of where you can part it at, but I think the limitation is still great. I'm going to just take these little sideburn hairs that I'm going to make, or baby hairs, and I'm going to put this headband on, or this melting band, and I'm just going to press, hot comb some of the parting so that way it's just a little bit more sleek. Using my wax stick, I'm just going to use that so that makes the parting much easier. Take a sip of some agua. Use some of my foundation stick in the part just so that it could look a lot more noticeable, even though honestly it really doesn't need it. But if you part further back, I did notice that you will need a little bit of your foundation stick, but upwards in the front, perfect. They did a really great job on bleaching this hair, on the color of this hair. The length is 24 inches. You can definitely get it shorter if you choose to. And my hot comb is set on 450 degrees. Girl, the hottest it can go, okay? Now the color in this is really, really pretty. As I was saying, it was ombre. I like the bottom color. It's like a chocolatey, medium color brown. Very pretty. It's kind of giving me number 4 kind of vibes at the end. Really, really pretty. I like the Lite Yaki texture of it. It's very flowy, nice and long, and ready to wear. Now I'm going to be using this Ebin New York lace melt spray. It does adhere your unit, but it also makes the lace like disappear, like invisible. So I just wanted to put just a little bit of that on the edges of the lace where it wasn't kind of like disappearing. And look at that. This stuff works really, really good. I really do like the Ebin New York lace melt spray, but it will adhere the unit and it definitely will make the lace melt. Now this is optional. You don't have to do this with the baby hairs if you don't want to, but I just felt like I'm going to put these on the edges so that way it kind of like hides the end of the 7x5 at the end of the lace front. Plus I have a long head too, so it kind of gives me a type of camouflage. Now girl, we almost done. Didn't she come out cute? You can definitely put curls to this if you choose to. I do like to curl my hair. I don't really wear my hair so much straight, but I thought for this video today I would, because I just wanted to wear it just the way it came. I thought it looked really, really good like this, especially with the dimension of color. And this is what she's looking like, baby. She is super cute, long. Look at that hair. Now you can see the texture more in the back versus at the hairline. So it's a nice light yaki texture. This is definitely summer approved. Girl, even though it's a 7x5, you can get many different styles and coverage out of this unit. I will link everything down below for UNice hair. You know how I feel about them. They got the best of the best of the best Amazon lace front wigs. You can also check them out on their storefront on AliExpress and their actual website. They are very affordable. They have so many different units to choose from pre-everything. And girl, if you like a good drawstring for the extra added security, well, UNice hair definitely got you covered. The actual drawstring band does make a huge difference. I prefer the drawstring over the actual removable adjustable band. But y'all be the judge of that. I will see y'all in the comments. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe if you love this video. I love you guys as always, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.